Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel where learning English is made easy, practical, and fun. I'm Emily.
And I am Clark. Hello, everyone. Today, we are focusing on a very delicate, personal, and deeply emotional topic. At some point in our lives, we may be asked to speak at a funeral or memorial service to honor a loved one. We are talking about how to speak at a funeral.
This is perhaps one of the most challenging speaking situations anyone can face, even in their native language. When you have to do it in English, finding the right words to express grief, comfort a grieving family, and honor a life can feel incredibly overwhelming.
It really can. But please remember, when you speak at a funeral, people are not looking for flawless public speaking or a dramatic performance. They are looking for sincerity, warmth, and shared memories. Today, we are breaking down these comforting phrases into 4 clear steps: offering condolences to the family, beginning your eulogy, sharing a personal story or tribute, and offering a peaceful closing thought.
We will practice these gentle phrases naturally together. Before we begin, please take a quick second to hit that subscribe button, click the like icon, and share this episode with a friend. Let's begin with step 1, offering condolences and comfort to the family.
Before or after the service, you will want to speak directly to the family members of the deceased. These phrases are designed to offer comfort and show that you share in their sorrow. Phrase 1.
I am so deeply sorry for your loss, and my thoughts and prayers are with your entire family during this difficult time.
Phrase 2. Words cannot express how saddened I am to hear about this. Please know that I am here to support you in any way I can. Phrase 3.
Your father was an incredibly kind and generous soul, and he will be missed by everyone who had the pleasure of knowing him.
Phrase 4. I hope you can find some comfort in the beautiful memories you shared together over the years. Phrase 5.
I was absolutely heartbroken when I heard the news, and I wanted to come today to pay my respects.
Phrase 6. Please take all the time you need to grieve. We are all wrapping you in love and support. Phrase 7.
She brought so much light and joy into every room she walked into, and her legacy will live on forever.
Phrase 8. I am holding you close in my thoughts, and I hope you feel surrounded by love today. Phrase 9.
If you ever need a shoulder to cry on or just someone to listen, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.
Phrase 10. It is a beautiful service today, and it is so clear how deeply loved they were by this entire community.
Beautifully spoken. In phrase 5, speaker 2 used the expression, pay my respects. To pay your respects means to show your polite regard, sympathy, and honor for someone who has died, usually by attending their funeral or visiting their family.
If you are invited to stand up and speak at the pulpit, you will want to begin by introducing yourself, stating your relationship to the deceased, and thanking everyone for being there. Let's practice these opening statements. Phrase 11.
Thank you all for being here today as we gather to celebrate the incredible life of my dear friend.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheikh, and I had the absolute privilege of working alongside him for 10 years.
Standing up here today is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do, but I am so honored to speak on her behalf.
When I think of him, the first word that comes to my mind is warmth, and I think everyone here would agree with that.
I want to express my deepest gratitude to the family for allowing me to share a few words about what she meant to me.
We are here today not only to mourn a deep loss, but to celebrate a life that was truly lived to the fullest.
I've spent the last few days trying to find the perfect words to capture his spirit, but no words could ever be enough.
She had a rare gift for making everyone she met feel incredibly special and valued.
As we look around this room today, the sheer number of people here is a testament to the lives he touched.
I'd like to share a few memories today that I think perfectly capture the essence of who she was.
He was the kind of person who put everyone else's needs before his own, without ever expecting anything in return.
While our hearts are heavy with grief today, I want us to remember the laughter and joy she brought into our lives.
I will always carry the valuable life lessons that he taught me throughout my own journey.
To say that she was a wonderful mother, a loyal friend, and a dedicated mentor would be an understatement.
He lived his life with a sense of adventure, grace, and an unwavering love for his family. So graceful and respectful. In phrase 19, speaker 2 used the word testament. If something is a testament to someone, it means it serves as clear, undeniable proof of their character, impact, or achievements. Saying the crowd is a testament to him means his good character is why so many people showed up.
The heart of a great funeral speech is a short, personal story. It can be sweet, inspiring, or even slightly humorous to bring a smile to the room. Let's practice how to transition into a personal memory. Phrase 26.
I'll never forget the time we got lost on our road trip, and instead of getting upset, he just started singing at the top of his lungs.
She had this wonderful, infectious laugh that could instantly brighten even the darkest of days.
Whenever I was going through a tough time, she was always the very first person to call and check up on me.
He taught me that the most important thing you can give to another human being is your undivided time and attention.
One of my favorite memories of her was watching her working in her garden, surrounded by the flowers she loved so much.
Even when he was facing his own difficult challenges, he never lost his optimistic outlook on life.
She was fiercely passionate about helping others, and her volunteer work made a lasting difference in our community.
He had a brilliant, quiet wisdom, and whenever he spoke, everyone in the room stopped to listen.
We used to sit on the front porch for hours, just talking about our dreams and laughing about the simplest things.
Her kindness wasn't loud or showy. It was found in the quiet, thoughtful things she did behind the scenes.
To finish your speech, you want to leave the audience with a comforting final thought. This can be a promise to remember them, a quote, or a direct message to the deceased. Let's practice these final, moving phrases. Phrase 36.
Though she is no longer physically with us, her spirit will continue to guide and inspire us every single day.
We will cherish the beautiful memories we made with him, and we will carry his love in our hearts forever. Phrase 38.
Rest in peace, my dear friend. You have run your race beautifully, and you will never, ever be forgotten.
Phrase 39. I know that she is watching over us now, resting peacefully in a place free from pain and sorrow. Phrase 40.
Thank you, my dear mentor, for showing us all what it truly means to live a life of integrity and love.
Phrase 41. Until we meet again, we will do our best to live our lives with the same kindness and joy that you did. Phrase 42.
We release you into the light today, knowing that your beautiful soul is finally at complete peace.
Phrase 43. She may have left this world, but the love she planted in our hearts will continue to grow forever. Phrase 44.
We love you, we miss you, and we will carry your torch forward with pride and grace.
Phrase 45. Thank you all once again for coming together today to honor such a truly remarkable life.
Now let's listen to how these phrases flow together in a short, touching eulogy. Speaker 2 will play the role of a friend speaking at a memorial service. Let's listen to the tone and flow of this tribute. Thank you all for being here today as we gather to celebrate the incredible life of my dear friend. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheikh, and I had the absolute privilege of being his close friend for over 15 years. Standing up here today is one of the hardest things I've ever had to do, but I am so deeply honored to speak on his behalf. When I think of him, the first word that comes to my mind is warmth, and I think everyone here would agree with that. He had a rare gift for making everyone he met feel incredibly special and valued. I'll never forget the time we got lost on our road trip, and instead of getting upset or stressed, he just turned to me, smiled, and started singing at the top of his lungs until we both were crying from laughter. That was just who he was. He taught me that the most important thing you can give to another human being is your undivided time and attention. Even when he was facing his own difficult health challenges, he never once lost his optimistic outlook on life. Though he is no longer physically with us, his spirit will continue to guide and inspire us every single day. We will cherish the beautiful memories we made with him, and we will carry his love in our hearts forever. Rest in peace, my dear friend. You have run your race beautifully, and you will never, ever be forgotten. Thank you all once again for coming together today to honor such a truly remarkable life.
And that is how you deliver a warm, respectful, and deeply touching tribute completely in English. You did an exceptional job staying with us through a very emotional topic today.
Yes, wonderful work. Speaking at a funeral is never easy, but when you speak from the heart, focus on shared memories, and use these comforting phrases, your message of love and honor will shine through perfectly to everyone listening.
If this lesson helped you find the right words for difficult times, please remember to subscribe to our channel, give this episode a thumbs up, and leave a comforting comment below.
Until our next class, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.
Bye, everyone.